This is a popular A-level physics exam question. You need to use PV equals 1/3 in mc squared bar and the Boltzmann constant and derive the formula half mc squared is equal to 3/2 kT. This is worth 5 marks. It's a good question, popular question. Pause the video and give this a try. When you're ready to check, continue the video. We are going to start the derivation considering 1 mole. Now for 1 mole, we know the number of molecules is equal to the Avogadro's constant. Let's call it Na. Now I'm going to use that in this first formula. So let's write this down. PV is equal to 1/3 in Avogadro mc squared bar. Now I'm going to multiply this right hand side by 2 and also divide it by 2. Now when you do that, it doesn't really change anything. But this is helpful to me because I can separate kinetic energy from here. So let's do that. If you think about half mc squared bar, that is kinetic energy. So let's rewrite this by separating it. PV is equal to this 2 comes to the front over 3 in Avogadro, then half mc squared bar. Let's call this equation 1. Now we are going to write PV is equal to nRT. But remember, we are considering 1 mole. So this N is 1. So we can write PV is equal to RT. This is your second equation. Now you can clearly see 1 and 2, they both have the same left hand side. So I can say 1 is equal to 2. Now I only need kinetic energy on the left hand side. So I'm going to leave this part on the left hand side. Now we know from here that R over Na is K. So I can replace that with K. So I get half mc squared bar is equal to 3/2 kT. Done.